Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a halftone effect in Affinity. This effect is perfect for retro posters, comic style graphics, pop art or texture overlays. Let's jump right in. I already have an image on my canvas. You can use any photo or illustration. Also, the halftone effect can be applied as destructive and non-destructive light filter. The destructive filter is merged directly into the object once applied, and the non-destructive light filter brings more flexibility, which allows further readjustment. With the image selected, you can access the destructive filter from Pixel, Filters, Colors, and Halftone. Once you apply the filter, it's merged with the image and non-editable. The non-destructive light filter can be accessed from Pixel, New Light Filter Layer, Colors, and Halftone, or by clicking on the filter icon at the bottom of the layer, scroll down until you find Halftone. I'll just go with this light filter. Click on it, and the live halftone panel pop up. Now I can make some adjustments on the panel. Change the image to monochrome, color, line, or circular. I'll go with the color. I can select the dot type to cosine or round. I'm gonna choose round. Then adjust the cell size. As you can see, the contrast setting is grayed out since it's only available in cosine dot type, not in round dot type. Adjust the gray component replacement and undercolor removal. Set the screen angle and blend mode. Once I'm ready, I can click merge, which merges the filter directly into the layer, similar to the destructive filter. Otherwise, if you're not sure yet and want to make more adjustments later, simply close the panel. Your filter is on the layer. You can double-click to readjust. And that's how you create a halftone effect in Affinity. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Have ideas or requests? Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.